Start off by going to 3dhubs.com, then scroll down to select CNC machining as your manufacturing technology, and click on Get an Instant Quote. Upload your parts by simply dragging your design into the page. We support a number of file formats and are sure to keep your intellectual property safe. Then specify all the manufacturing requirements for your parts. Select the material, type, and surface finish. If your parts require any threaded holes or specific tolerances, you can indicate these by ticking the boxes and uploading a technical drawing as a support to your quote. 3dhubs will instantly price your part as well as give you different pricing for bulk orders. Confirm the geometry of your parts by using the Design for Manufacturing feedback tools. The DFM tool will detect 3 common issues that may be present on your 3D model that can make your parts difficult to machine. Quickly check your parts for hard to remove volume. Indicates whether your part has hard to remove areas that require 5-axis mill or any other specific tools. Thin walls. This will tell you if the walls of your part are too thin to be CNC machined accurately. Internal corners. We will machine sharp internal corners with a 2mm radius tool, unless indicated otherwise. Just to triple check that you've uploaded the right size part, use the ISO certified banana for scale. When you're ready, continue to submit your request. If you already have an account at 3dhubs, your details are already pre-filled. Lucky you. Then you can head over to the quote overview page. It allows you to review your parts or compare it to any other quote you've requested from us. Additionally, you can share the quote with your purchasing department of your organization. Once purchasing approves your design, they can pay directly off the link you reminded them about. Then your parts are on the way.